All right, travel enthusiasts, let's dive into why New Zealand should be your next travel destination. First off, New Zealand is like stepping into a real-life fantasy world. Picture this: rolling green hills, stunning fjords, and beaches that look like they're straight out of a dream. If you're a fan of diverse landscapes, New Zealand is your ultimate playground. Let's talk top destinations. Start with Queenstown, the adventure capital of the world. Whether you're into bungee jumping, jet boating, or skydiving, Queenstown has it all. Don't forget to take a ride on the Skyline gondola for those jaw-dropping views of the Remarkables mountain range. Next up, Rotorua, the cultural heartland. Here, you can immerse yourself in Maori culture. Experience a traditional hangi feast, visit the Te Puia geothermal park, and witness the awe-inspiring Pohutu geyser erupting. Now, if you're a Lord of the Rings fan, a visit to Hobbiton in Matamata is a must. Wander through the Shire, visit Bilbo's house, and feel like you've stepped into Middle-earth. Of course, we can't forget about the stunning Milford Sound. Whether you explore it by boat or take a scenic flight, the towering cliffs and waterfalls will leave you speechless. For those who love a good hike, the Tongariro Alpine Crossing is often considered one of the best one-day hikes in the world. Trek through volcanic landscapes, emerald lakes, and breathtaking views that will make every step worth it. All right, let's talk about the culture. The Maori heritage is deeply woven into the fabric of New Zealand. Take part in a traditional Maori welcome ceremony called a pauhiri and learn the famous haka dance. The blend of Maori traditions with modern Kiwi culture creates a unique, enriching experience. New Zealand's cities are also worth exploring. Wellington, the capital, is known for its vibrant arts scene, delicious food, and the iconic Te Papa Museum. And then there's Auckland, the city of sails, where you can enjoy a sunset cruise in the harbour or take a day trip to Waiheke Island for some wine tasting. And let's not forget the wildlife. Head to Kaikoura on the South Island for some incredible whale watching, or visit the Otago Peninsula to see rare yellow-eyed penguins and albatross. One of the best things about New Zealand is its friendly locals, known as Kiwis. They're incredibly welcoming and always ready to share a story or give you tips on the best spots to visit. So why should New Zealand be your next travel destination, Art? It's simple. The breathtaking landscapes, thrilling adventures, rich culture and warm hospitality make it a place like no other. Trust me, it's a journey you'll never forget. Ready to pack your bags? New Zealand is calling. Thanks for tuning in, travel enthusiasts. Hit that subscribe button for more travel inspiration, and I'll see you in the next adventure.